Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into customizing the user interface in UPBASE, the full 2025 guide. First things first, let's open UPBASE on your desktop. The reason we're doing this, of course, is so we can access the platform and begin our customization journey. Next up, navigate to the Settings option, typically found in the top right corner of your screen. This is where we'll find all the options we need to personalize the interface. Now that we've done that, you'll notice an option that says UI customization. Click on that. This helps us because it opens up a menu of options for customizing the look and feel of UPBASE, from color schemes to layout. Once you're in this menu, you'll see a few different options. Start by selecting the Theme tab. Here, you can choose from a variety of preset themes or create your own. Let me explain why this matters. This allows you to set the overall look of your UPBASE interface to something that's visually appealing and easy on the eyes. After you've selected a theme, go to the Layout tab. Here, you can adjust the position of different elements such as the menu bar and the dashboard. The reason we do this is to optimize the interface screen for efficiency, cutting down on unnecessary scrolling or searching for tools. Lastly, under the Fonts tab, you can choose the font style and size that works best for you. This is important because clear, readable text makes your work in UPBASE easier and less straining on your eyes. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've customized your user interface in UPBASE, making your workspace more efficient and visually pleasing. Remember, a user interface that aligns with your preferences can greatly enhance your productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and until we meet again, happy customizing.